Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch on and off the DST function on your Casio GM-2100. This is going to work for all Casioak models that feature the module 5611. So as you can see here on the digital display, we have DST written on the dial, and then if it were activated, we would have a dot right here. It is now deactivated, so nothing appears. If I press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds, I'm going to arrive at setting the main functions, so the main things of the Casioak. The first thing is going to be the home city. If I press the mode button, I'm going to arrive at the DST, daylight saving time. Now, as you can see, it shows us off, and also a dot is flickering right there. If I press any of the two buttons on the right, I'll be able to switch between on and off. If I leave it at on and press the adjust button in order to end the process, you will now see the dot right here. So that means that the function is activated. If I want to deactivate it, I'm going to repeat the process, press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds, then press the mode button once in order to arrive at the DST, press any of the two buttons on the right in order to switch it off, and then press the adjust button in order to finalize the process. You can now see that the dot has disappeared. And that is how you set on and off the DST function on your Casioak. I have a full guide with all the functions and features of the Casioak, link in the description box below, in case you want to know how to set everything on your Casioak, and also how to use the world time function, the alarm, the chrono, and also how to align the watch hands after a battery replacement, for example. Link in the description box below, guys. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to leave a comment. I would love to hear your thoughts out, and also give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you want to watch even more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews. I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy it, guys. See you on the next video.